Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you what is priority queue. It is a collection of elements. In Java, it stores the element in sorted order, which is ascending order. So I am explaining you this definition from Java point of view. After that, here is some function of the priority queue. First is the add function, like how we can add the elements in the priority queue. So first I will make a priority queue. So this is the syntax priority queue, and we have to pass here the data type. So we are making for integer, so I will pass here integer, and the name of the priority queue I am writing here pq equal to new priority queue. So this priority queue is ready, and you can see that here we do not have to mention the size of the priority queue. You can take example of array list that we do not have to mention any size. And after that, now I will use this add function. So for this, first I will use a for loop for int I equal to 0 and I less than a dot length and I plus plus. Inside of it, I will write pq dot add a of I. Using this for loop, it will add all the elements in this priority queue with this add function. Here it is written that insertion is arbitrary, so it means that we can insert the element in any order in the priority queue, but during the deletion it will always remove the smallest element first. After that, you can see that after adding all these elements in this priority queue, it will store the element in the sorted order. Now we will see the peek function. So what is peek? So I will use here system.out.println. Inside of it, I will write pq.peek. So when I run this program, let's see what happens. So you can see that in the output we are getting 10. So it is showing the first element of the priority queue. All the elements are stored in the ascending order, so the first element is 10. So this peek function will always show the first element of the priority queue. It is always the smallest element of the priority queue. Now let's see poll function. So this poll function is used to delete the element from the priority queue. Suppose before this println statement, I will write here pq.poll, and let's run the program again. So you can see that here we are getting 20, because this function has removed the first element of the priority queue, which was 10. So after that, 20 has become the first element of the priority queue. After that, from the given array, find the smallest element. So we can easily find the smallest element from the array by using pq.peek, and you can also store the element in a variable using this peek function. Suppose I will write here int min equal to pq.peek, and I will print this minimum element. So you can see that in the output we are getting 10. After that, we have to find the largest element. So for finding the largest element from this priority queue, we have to remove all the elements from the priority queue except the last element. For this, I will use a while loop. While pq.size is larger than 1. So in this while loop, I will write here pq.poll. With the help of this poll function, it will remove all the elements until the size of the pq is larger than 1. After that, I will change the variable name max, and let's run the program. So you can see that in the output we are getting 50. 50 is the largest element. So this priority queue has removed all the elements except the last element from itself. After that, we have to find the second smallest element. So we only need to remove the first element of the priority queue. So I will commit this while loop. So this pq.poll method will only execute once, and in the variable name I will write min second, and let's run the program. Now here we are getting 20. So 20 is the second smallest element. After that, find the second largest element. So first largest element is 50, and after that, second largest element is 40. Except these two elements from the last, we have to remove all the elements from the priority queue. I will use here this while loop. In this, I will write while pq.size is larger than 2. So it will remove all the elements except the two elements from the priority queue. I will write here max second, and let's run the program. So you can see that in the output we are getting 40. So 40 is the second largest element from the priority queue. So this is all about the priority queue. Thanks for watching.